Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to speak about a very helpful and useful item, I think, which every household should have. I think seeing a video, many females, whether they're housewives or a working professional, would agree with me. So when the lockdown happened, maid stopped coming and we had to do everything on our own. So after looking to a lot of reviews, talking to my friends, I got to know that dishwasher is actually a helpful item if you have it in your home. So we went and bought a dishwasher. So it's been almost 8 months since I've started using it. Personally, it has been a wonderful experience for me, so I thought of making a video so that others who are thinking of purchasing a dishwasher or who have any misconceptions regarding a dishwasher can see for themselves. The quality which you receive at the end of the cycle is really excellent. I'm sure people who already own a dishwasher will agree. And yes, it is suitable for Indian cooking. You can use plastics, yeah, but depends on which mode you are keeping it on. And also it reduces the water consumption. And the plus point above everything is that you can use it n number of times and you don't have to depend on a maid. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.